Lee Manufacturing's value of operation is equal to 900 million after recapitalization. The firm had no debt before the recap. Lee raised 300 million in new debt and used this to buy back stock. Lee had no short-term investments before or after the recap. After the recap, the weight of debt is 1/3. The firm had 30 million shares before the recap. What is the price, the stock price after the recapitalization? We have value of operations 900 million, debt is 300 million, number of shares 30 million, and we have to find the price after the recapitalization. To solve this, firstly we will find the value of equity after recapitalization. That is equal to value of operations minus debt, that is 900 million minus 300 million, that is 600 million, value of equity after recapitalization. After that we will find the initial share price, and the initial share price is value of operations divided by number of shares. That is 900 million divided by 30 million, that is equal to 30 per share. After that we will find the share repurchased, that is equal to debt divided by price per share. That is equal to 300 million, the debt is raised, and the 30 per share price. Answer is 10 million shares that the company will repurchase, and the remaining shares that is equal to 30 million minus 10 million, that is 20 million. Then finally we can find the share price after recap. That is equal to value of equity divided by number of shares, that is equal to 600 divided by 20 and 30 per share. As you can see that there is no change in the share price after and before recapitalization, as the company has raised debt level and use these cash flows to buy back their shares. So this will have no effect on the share prices of the company. If you have any questions related to finance and financial modeling, you can contact us. We will try our best to provide you best solutions. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.